some squid down here. So I got a squid jig. See him there?
Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Oh my gosh! No way!
Can you get a bucket?
How do I get a bucket? Oh shit!
Yeah.
There's squid ink everywhere.
Shit.
What? Okay.
I went inside everywhere.
Whoa! Do you eat that?
Yeah.
What? Oh my gosh! It's all over the boat.
So that's not how you do it. But you're gonna have a go, and when you grab it, face it outwards.
So it inks that way?
Yeah, out at sea.
So I just throw it in?
Yeah.
Hold the yellow thing?
As long as you hold the line, it's right.
Oh!
There you go.
Oh my god!
Hold them out. So grab them, hold them out to the ocean.
Where do I grab
On
them?
the body. Yep, now unhook him. Grab the lure with the other hand. And then hook it.
Does it sting you?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Put him in the bucket.
Okay. Can I do another one?
Yep, boom.
Wow!
Oh!
Is it done inking? Stop! How much did go in your body? Is it done inking?
Yeah, pull him up.
What? It's like a murder scene. Why does it ink? What is that?
That's their defense.
To scare you?
No, in the water they make a big cloud so they can escape. Hey guys, welcome to Once Upon a Reef channel. We're Ryan and Poppy, a couple of adventure junkie sailors out to explore the most amazing reefs and islands in the world.
We hope by documenting everything this lifestyle encompasses that we will inspire, raise awareness, and support ongoing research to do our part in protecting these natural life systems. Subscribe if you're on board, and come sail away with Skate Away.
So, Poppy did a much better job than me. There's ink everywhere.
I'm pretty sure that it came into my mouth. Like, I thought it was just water, but I think it was ink.
Silent boat, all up here, on the roof, door, and inside.
And on your shirt.
Yeah, it's on your face.
Is it on my face? Yeah, well, it went in my mouth.
And now they've caught on. Well, we got a few. We got what, 4? They're huge.
I've never had squid before.
That's what I thought. Tonight will be the first time. Usually I cut the heads off. And we'll cook the heads as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you eat the eyeball?
Yep.
Oh, ooh.
If you don't want it chewy, it's best to get the skin off.
Okay.
It actually helps if you freeze it for a little bit to get the skin off.
So you don't eat it because it's chewy.
Yeah, it goes real tough.
We've got a beautiful sunset for this beautiful squid fillet.
Hey, so the camera cut out for a lot of these shots, so Ryan and I are going to try to reenact them with our voiceovers.
So once you finish removing the skin,
This looks way more difficult than filleting a fish.
just push your fingers into its mouth and flip it inside out. That's like their backbone.
Oh wow, feels like plastic, but looks like a feather.
And this is an ink sac. So for those lonely sailors out at sea.
Inappropriate.
But for us, it's food. So calamari is basically chopping this into rings. So since Poppy caught most of these squid, it's only fitting that she skins and prepares them.
They feel so interesting.
Yeah.
They're so slimy. It's weird that you eat this. Okay.
Really try to dig your thumb in.
This is not easy.
No, that's what I mean. It's just hard to grip it.
Do you have gloves?
It's not gonna help. There you go. It's just hard to start. Yeah, amazing colours.
They're like psychedelic looking.
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah, well, underwater they can use these colours to blend in or warn off or.
Do they glow?
Can
Some
they be
do.
glowing on?
Some
Like
do.
glow in the
Yeah.
dark?
Yeah.
Like bioluminescent?
Yeah. Now you want to try to turn it inside out. Which I find a little tricky.
Hope you don't mind me coming inside your body.
Push this inside out.
Yeah. Hey. Jeez, look at this pro.
Happy days. Now what?
Push it all the way inside out.
Should I push it this way?
Yeah.
Gross. Is that it?
That's it. Give it a little wash and
Woo.
look
Wow.
at that.
That's fascinating.
Beautiful.
There we have it.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. What a woman. Yeah. These are the sucker pads that they use to grab onto their prey and extend out really fast and grab and pull it in to their mouth. And like an alien, they have, pull this back, it's like a beak of a bird like that. It comes out and grabs them.
That's so weird.
Yeah. And chomps them up. Look at those beautiful eyes.
Are you gonna eat the eye?
Yeah, we'll cook the head up as well.
You're gonna eat the eye.
You're gonna eat it too.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hope